Hello friends, let's continue with lecture number 8, and this lecture number 8 is related with the derivative of implicit function. I hope आप previous lectures watch करके उसको practice कर रहे हैं and you are utilizing your time. And अगर आपको lecture पसंद आ रहे हैं so definitely refer to your friends as well as subscribe our channel. Let's start with understand first what is meaning of implicit function. सबसे पहले डेरिवेटिव ऑफ इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन के लिए ये समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन का मतलब क्या होता है. सो टिल नाउ व्हाट वी हैव क्वेश्चन लाइक y इज इक्वल टू साइन एक्स प्लस 3x. मतलब ऑलवेज वी हैव ऑन लेफ्ट साइड y एंड ऑन राइट हैंड साइड वी हैव फंक्शन ऑफ x. लेफ्ट में y होता है और राइट में वी हैव फंक्शन ऑफ x. बट इन इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन वी आर नॉट हैविंग y इक्वल टू f of x. We have function of x as well as function of y equal to some constant, like sin x is a function of x, cos y function of y, x is a variable, y is a variable and equal to constant. मतलब previous question के जैसे y equal to हमेशा x था वैसा नहीं होगा, mixed functions होंगे. मतलब we have function of x and y is equal to some constants. This is called as implicit function and it's very simple one. इसके लिए एक basic concept सीखेंगे and then we'll start with question. Like understand, differentiate following with respect to x. Whenever this statement is given, then we'll consider as we are differentiating our question with respect to x. मतलब x is considered as variable. So derivative of x with respect to x, we all know it is 1. So always keep in mind numerator में भी x है और denominator में भी x है, इसलिए derivative of x with respect to x 1 होता है. But derivative of y with respect to x is not 1. dy by dx remains as it is because numerator में variable y है and denominator में x है. So this is what you have to keep in mind, which is a basic one. And understand, when we take derivative of x cube with respect to x, so simply we are writing d by dx of x cube is equal to 3x square. तो इसके आगे हम dx by dx भी लिखते हैं क्योंकि ये जो 3x square मिला ये x cube का डेरिवेटिव है. After taking derivative of x cube, we will take derivative of x. But derivative of x 1 होता है इसलिए वो लिख के दिखाना ज़रूरी नहीं है. But if we have instead of x cube we have y cube and we differentiate with respect to x, then derivative of y cube with respect to x is 3y square multiplied by dy by dx, because dy by dx का वैल्यू 1 नहीं होता है, so आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. That is very much important. Understand one more, if we have sin x, so derivative of sin x we are writing cos x multiply by derivative of x with respect to x, but that dx by dx is 1, therefore we are not writing. Similarly, if we have derivative of y with respect to x, मतलब derivative of sin y with respect to आप जब x लेंगे, so you will have derivative of sin y is equal to cos y multiply by dy by dx. मतलब समझाने का बहुत सिंपल है कि अगर आप y वाले टर्म का डेरिवेटिव ले रहे हैं with respect to x, then with each term you will write down after taking derivative dy by dx. So let's start. बहुत सिंपल है, डेरिवेटिव नहीं, थोड़े बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट शिफ्ट करने आना चाहिए टर्म्स को आपको, प्लस माइनस पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है. So let's from exercise 1.3 question number 3. The simple question is find dy by dx. आपको dy by dx का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. So we'll start. The question is x root x plus y root y is equal to a root a. So आप जैसे देख रहे हैं we are not having answer question in the form of y equal to x. So what we do, we write down question as it is and we modify this x root x. This x root x can be written as x raised to 3 by 2. Y root y can be written as y raised to 3 by 2 and a root a can be written as a raised to 3 by 2. So हमने सबको modify कर दिया. It's very basic concept of indices. By using that rule we are writing our answer of x root x as x raised to 3 by 2. Similarly for y root y and a root y. Now we differentiate with respect to x. So we'll take derivative of each term. We are writing derivative operator, which is d by dx with each term of the previous step. So we are writing derivative of x raised to 3 by 2 plus derivative of y raised to 3 by 2 plus derivative of a raised to 3 by 2. So x और y को छोड़ के बाकी सब अल्फ़ाबेट्स जो भी होंगे वो कांस्टेंट कंसिडर होंगे, मीनिंग दिस ए रेज टू 3 बाई 2 इज अ कांस्टेंट. अब आप बोलेंगे सर वो कैसे? बिकॉज वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. मतलब y is also a variable and x is also a variable, and other alphabets are considered as constants. Let's find out derivative. Derivative of x raised to 3 by 2 is 3 by 2 into x raised to 1 by 2 by using formula of x raised to n. Similarly, derivative of y raised to 3 by 2 is 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 into y raised to 1 by 2 multiply by dy by dx. जैसा कि हमने बेसिक्स में डिस्कस किया, whenever you are taking derivative of those term having y, always multiply them with dy by dx is equal to, we will write on 0 because constant का derivative 0 होता है. So now we have 3 by 2 here, here also 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 multiplication mein, so what we do, we divide throughout by 3 by 2, and what we'll do in next step, we'll shift x wala term on right hand side. So we get y raised to 1 by 2 into dy by dx is equal to minus of x raised to 3 by 2. But we have to find out, as per the main question, we have to find out only value of dy by dx. So whatever present in multiplication with dy by dx, we shift on another side. That gives you answer of dy by dx is equal to minus of x raised to 1 by 2, and shift in multiplication it comes in division. So we have स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एक्स अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ वाई विद अ माइनस साइन. अब आप बोलेंगे स्क्वायर रूट कैसे आ गया? सो एक्स रेज टू 1 बाई 2, पावर में 1 बाई 2 का मतलब स्क्वायर रूट होता है. सो दिस इज व्हाट द फाइनल आंसर ऑफ आर डी वाई बाई डी एक्स. सो इट्स वेरी सिंपल वन. आपको डी वाई बाई डी एक्स वाले टर्म को एक साइड में रखना है, एंड द टर्म विच नॉट हैविंग डी वाई बाई डी एक्स वी हैव टू शिफ्ट ऑन अनदर साइड. यू विल हैव योर फाइनल आंसर. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. आज ऐसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस हम डिस्कस करेंगे सो दैट आपका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा. एक्सरसाइज वाइज आपको क्वेश्चंस बना बना के लेक्चर्स दिए जा रहे हैं, जिससे इजीली यू विल अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू डील विद द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ each and every exercise, and you are able to solve all the questions. Let's continue one more question. Like we have x plus under root of xy plus y equal to 1. So mixed function of x as well as y is equal to constant we have. So we are not having answer in the form of y is equal to f of x. Therefore it's a implicit function. तो अलग कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको डेरिवेटिव ही लेना है. So we copy our question as it is and directly will differentiate this with respect to x. So first you have to write on d by dx of x, d by dx of square root of xy, d by dx of y, and d by dx of 1. With each and every term we are writing answer of we are writing derivative operator, which is d by dx. Now d by dx of x with respect to x, we all know it is 1. Derivative of root, forget about xy, think about first square root. So derivative of root is 1 upon 2 root, whatever inside square root will write on as it is, multiply by d by dx of xy, which is very important. And next in third term, derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx as it is equal to derivative of 1 is 0. So in next step still we have to take derivative of this term d by dx of xy. So 1 we shift as it is, 1 upon 2 root x we are writing as it is, and here when we take derivative of x into y we are applying u into v. So directly answer लिखेंगे, u into v में हम एक को as it is लिखते हैं और दूसरे वाले का डेरिवेटिव. So we will write our answer, that is y as it is, x का डेरिवेटिव 1, x as it is, y का डेरिवेटिव dy by dx, plus this dy by dx will write on as it is equal to 0. So now in next step we'll simplify, we'll write down 1 as it is, we'll multiply this 1 upon 2 root xy inside bracket. That gives you y multiply by 1 gives you y upon 2 into under root of xy. Multiply this 1 upon 2 root xy with x into dy by dx gives you x upon 2 root xy into dy by dx. plus dy by dx is equal to 0. Now we have to write down all the terms which having dy by dx on one side, and another all the terms those not having dy by dx will write down on another side. So we get answer as 1 plus y upon 2 root xy plus, taking dy by dx common, we are having answer as x upon 2 root xy plus 1 is equal to 0. Now before shifting on another side, what we do cross multiplication to make denominator same. So after doing cross multiplication in these two brackets, we get answer as 2xy upon 2 root xy plus x plus 2 root xy upon 2 root xy divided by dx is equal to 0. Now this term not having dy by dx term, will shift it on another side. हम अगर इसको राइट में लेके आएंगे so it become minus, and this term will write on as it is, same to same. So now we have to find out value of dy by dx. So whatever in multiplication with dy by dx we shift on another side. So be careful with the basics. जो division में है that comes in the multiplication, और जो numerator में है that is the term in multiplication that comes in division. So we get answer of dy by dx is equal to minus of 2 root xy plus y upon 2 root xy as it is, multiply by reciprocal of the term which is in multiplication with dy by dx. So now if we think about cancellation, we are able to cancel this 2 root xy and 2 root xy. So that gives you answer of dy by dx is equal to, numerator में बचा y plus 2 root xy और denominator में बचा x plus 2 root xy. So this is what the answer of dy by dx we obtained. So I hope everyone done how to find out value of dy by dx. It's a simple concept. आपको basic derivative ही लेना है, बस एंड में टर्म्स को कलेक्ट करने आना चाहिए और शिफ्ट करने आना चाहिए. Let's solve one more so that clear your doubts and understand the concept. It's from same exercise, and the question number 3 is x into e raised to y plus y into e raised to x is equal to 1. We have to find out dy by dx. So let me start. Directly we'll write down question as it is and differentiate this with respect to x. So with each and every term we'll write down derivative operator. So we'll get d by dx of x into e raised to y plus d by dx of y into e raised to x is equal to d by dx of 1. So now we have multiplication of two functions, x e raised to y e raised to x. So we have to apply rule of u into v. So we apply u into v का rule and directly take derivative. So e raised to y as it is, x का derivative is 1, then x as it is, and e raised to y का derivative is e raised to y into dy by dx. मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूँ, whenever we are taking derivative of that term in which we have y, so always we'll write on dy by dx with that. Now similarly we take derivative of this y e raised to x by applying u into v. That gives you e raised to x, derivative of y, which is dy by dx, plus y as it is, and derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, which is equal to 1 का derivative is 0. So derivative वाला part तो over हो गया. Now we have to recollect the terms, the term having dy by dx and the term not having dy by dx. So moving further, e raised to y plus y e raised to x. If we check these two terms, check it properly everyone, मैं underline कर रहा हूँ. ये e raised to y and this y e raised to x will not have dy by dx. बीच में प्लस साइन है इसलिए ब्रैकेट ओपन करने में कोई इशू नहीं. And another two terms if we check having dy by dx, so दोनों में से हम dy by dx कॉमन ले ले रहे हैं and writing them together. So we have x e raised to x plus e raised to x multiply by dy by dx is equal to 0. So I hope यहाँ तक आपको clear है, कुछ भी डाउट नहीं है. Now we'll shift the term which not having dy by dx. So when we shift it become negative. So we are writing answer of e raised to x plus x e raised to y dy by dx is equal to minus of e raised to y plus y e raised to x. Now whatever in multiplication we have with dy by dx, will shift on right, so it comes in division. So that gives you dy by dx is equal to minus of e raised to y plus y raised to x whole divided by e raised to x plus x e raised to y. So this is what the answer of our question number 3. So let's start with the next of same exercise. The question is x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81, and of by using this question we have to find out value of dy by dx. So it's very easy now, you know how to, आपको steps पता चल गया है, and the way you know, now we have to simplify and complete our answer. So first we copy question as it is, directly will differentiate with respect to x, writing derivative operator with each term, d by dx with each term. So wherever we have x square into y, like this term, and xy square, for this term we have to apply u into v, and for another terms directly we'll write on our answer. So first we take derivative of first term, derivative of x cube. So derivative of x cube is 3x square. For second term we take derivative operator and we apply rule of u into v. So मैं इस समय proper rule लिख के दे रहा हूँ. So x square as it is, derivative of y square, y as it is, derivative of x square. Plus similarly in this next term also we'll apply u into v, that gives you x as it is, derivative of y square, plus y square as it is, derivative of x. In next step we take derivative of y cube, and we know very well how to take derivative of y cube. Y cube का derivative is 3y square into dy by dx, and derivative of this 81 is equal to 0 because it's a constant one. Now we have to simplify this bracket, and then we can recollect the terms. So 3x square as it is will write on, derivative of x square with respect to x is 2x multiplied by y gives you 2xy, plus x square as it is, derivative of y with respect to y remains as dy by dx. Similarly next bracket, if we check, derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx. So x वहाँ पे as it is था, and y square will write on as it is, and derivative of x with respect to x is 1, plus 3y square dy by dx is equal to 0. So in next step we open bracket, we recollect terms. So we are getting answer as 3x square plus 2xy plus y square. These are the three terms not having dy by dx. Now check another terms, which is x square dy by dx, 2xy dy by dx, and 3y square dy by dx. These are the term having derivative dy by dx with them, so we are writing them together in one bracket with dy by dx common. So जितना steps आप कम कर सकते हैं उतना अच्छा है, बिना मतलब के steps आपको increase करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. So equal to, we have answer as 0. Now we'll shift this term on left, it becomes negative, and remaining this term will write on as it is. So in next step we get x square plus 2xy plus 3y square into dy by dx is equal to minus of 3x square plus 2xy plus y square. So therefore dy by dx is equal to whatever in multiplication we have, will shift on another side, it comes in division. So we get answer of dy by dx is equal to minus of 3x square plus 2xy plus y square divided by that left wala bracket in denominator, that is x square plus 2xy plus 3y square, and this become answer of your dy by dx. So I hope you know very well how to solve now question of this type. Let's continue with one more of this type question. The question is x square plus y, x square into y square plus tan inverse of root of x square plus y square equal to cot inverse of under root of x square plus y square. So first step, copy the question, because we are not having y equal to f of x, we have a function of x and y together, it is in the form of equation. So now we'll differentiate with respect to x, so writing derivative operator with each and every term, because we know derivative can be separated directly on plus. Now one by one we'll differentiate. So for first term we have to apply u into v. So we apply u into v gives you y square as it is d by dx of x square plus x square as it is d by dx of y square. In next term we first take derivative of tan inverse, and derivative of tan inverse is 1 upon 1 plus x square, बट x के जगह पे आप चेक करेंगे तो अंडर रूट ऑफ x स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर है, तो हमने उसका स्क्वायर लिखा है, is equal to derivative of cot inverse. If we check, so same answer we get as same as tan inverse, but एक negative sign आ जाता है. And in previous term when we take derivative of tan inverse, don't forget to write down derivative of its angle, which is under root of x square plus y square. Similarly with derivative of cot inverse also, after derivative of cot inverse, don't forget to write down derivative of under root of x square plus y square. Now before writing first next step, what you will do, if we check this two term, this term and the term which is on right having exactly same, only on right we have negative sign and on left we have positive sign. So y will perform this two time. So what we do, we shift this term which is on right hand side on left, and since denominator is same, so in numerator we'll write down plus 1 it become 2, because न्यूमरेटर में माइनस साइन था, हमने उसे लेफ्ट में लिया, सो इट बिकम +1. तो आपको डेरिवेटिव अब एक ही बार परफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा. अंडरस्टैंड वन मोर टाइम मैंने क्या एक्सप्लेन किया. फर्स्ट वी कॉपी दिस ब्रैकेट एज इट इज, प्लस नाउ दिस टू टर्म become 2 upon 1 plus x square plus y square. स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट कैंसिल हो गया, इसलिए रूट दिख नहीं रहा है आपको. द स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट वी कैंसिल, मल्टीप्लाई बाय डी बाई डी एक्स ऑफ 1 root x square plus y square, which is 1 upon 2 root x square plus y square into d by dx of x square plus y square. एंड राइट वाले टर्म को तो हमने लेफ्ट में शिफ्ट कर दिया, सो ओनली 0 रिमेनिंग ऑन राइट साइड. सो हमने राइट वाले टर्म को लेफ्ट में लेके आया, तो चेक किया कि दोनों टर्म सेम थे, तो हमने उसके डिनोमिनेटर सेम होने की वजह से न्यूमरेटर को ऐड कर दिया. नथिंग एल्स वी डन. एंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ रूट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर एक ही बार लेना पड़ा है. Now still we have to simplify derivative of this x square plus y square. So in next step we'll simplify term. We are writing answer 2x square y square plus 2x square y into dy by dx plus 2 upon 2 under root of x square plus y square multiply by 1 plus x square plus y square into derivative of x square plus y square, which is 2x plus 2y into dy by dx. So ये क्लियरली आपको समझा होगा कि x स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव 2x होता है एंड y स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव वी हैव 2y dy by dx. So is equal to we have 0. Now our aim is to recollect the term. Before that you have to multiply this whole term inside this bracket, and before multiplying you can cancel numerator wala 2 and denominator wala 2. After cancelling that numerator and denominator wala 2, we multiply inside the bracket. So we'll write on this term as it is and multiply this whole term inside bracket, gives you 2x upon under root of x square plus y square multiply by 1 plus x square plus y square plus 2y upon under root of x square plus y square multiply by 1 plus x square plus y square into dy by dx is equal to 0. मतलब डेरिवेटिव लेने के बाद भी थोड़े स्टेप्स करने पड़ेंगे, which is a basic of mathematics. Now collect the term having dy by dx and collect the term not having dy by dx. So this first and third term not having dy by dx, whereas this second and fourth term having dy by dx. So we'll write down. So हमने जिस टर्म में dy by dx नहीं था उसको साथ में ले लिया, and the term having dy by dx उसको साथ में ले लिया, is equal to 0. Now before shifting again what we do, will do cross multiplication and we make denominator same for both the terms. So in next step simply it become 2x plus 2x square y multiply by under root of x square plus y square multiply by 1 plus x square plus y square upon denominator. Same thing with the term with dy by dx. यहाँ पे भी हमने क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया है which is equal to 0. Now simply we shift this term not having dy by dx on another side, so it become negative and this term will write down as it is. So अगर आप चेक करेंगे तो on both the side denominator is exactly same, so we can cancel the denominator, and in next step we can write on dy by dx is equal to this numerator divided by this numerator. So we have answer as minus of 2x plus 2xy square under root of x square plus y square multiply by 1 plus x square plus y square divided by 2y upon 2x square y into under root of x square plus y square multiply by 1 plus x square plus y square. Be careful, don't cancel, क्योंकि न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर में ऐसा लग रहा है बहुत सारे टर्म सेम है, but we are not able to cancel them. So this is only your final answer of the particular question. So very important, आपको concentrate होके डेली बेसिस थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस भी करना है, फॉर्मूला याद करना है, और डेरिवेटिव में एक बार फॉर्मूला याद हो गया तो फटाफट सम सॉल्व हो जाएगा. And revision is very much important. Let's discuss one more. And the question is e raised to x minus y is equal to x upon y. So what we do, बहुत सारा e raised to है, so we'll take log on both side. जैसे हम log अप्लाई करेंगे तो this e raised to x minus y comes in multiplication and log e का वैल्यू 1 होता है, वो हम नहीं लिखेंगे, and on right side we apply log m minus log n gives you log x minus log y. Now we'll differentiate. सर हम पहले स्टेप में डेरिवेटिव ले लेते तो नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल, यू कैन डिफरेंशिएट डायरेक्टली, बट फिर एक बार ई रेस टू 2 बार डेरिवेटिव लेना पड़ता, राइट साइड में यू अपॉन वी अप्लाई करना पड़ता, सो मैंने वो अवॉइड कर दिया लॉग लेके. नाउ वी डिफरेंशिएट ई रेस टू एक्स माइनस वाई, derivative they will find out derivative of log x, derivative of log y, and will find out dy by dx. So writing derivative operator with each and every term. Let's continue. Derivative of e raised to is same, e raised to whatever angle as it is, multiply by derivative of its angle which is x minus y is equal to derivative of log x is 1 upon x minus derivative of log y is 1 upon y into dy by dx. स्टार्टिंग से बोलते आ रहा हूँ, जिस टर्म में y है अगर आप उसका डेरिवेटिव ले रहे हैं तो उसके साथ dy by dx आपको लिखना है. Now next step we are writing derivative of this is x minus 1, तो क्लियर है dy by dx of x minus 1 लेना है तो एक बार x का डेरिवेटिव माइनस y का डेरिवेटिव, so that gives you e raised to x minus y multiply by 1 minus dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x minus 1 upon y into dy by dx. Before simplifying, be careful, multiply this e raised to x minus y inside this bracket and then recollect the terms. So we are getting e raised to x minus y minus of e raised to x minus y into dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x minus 1 upon y into dy by dx. Now we'll shift terms and write down the like terms together, the term not having dy by dx and the term having dy by dx. So we'll write down, we are shifting all dy by dx wala term on left and taking dy by dx common in them. So minus 1 upon y dy by dx right में shift हुआ तो plus 1 upon y and minus e raised to x minus y पहले से वहीं था तो as it is sign multiply by dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x minus e raised to x minus y. Now we do cross multiplication first, so it become 1 minus y e raised to x minus y divided by y whole multiply by dy by dx is equal to 1 minus x into e raised to x minus y divided by x. Next step, we'll shift this term which is present with dy by dx, so we get answer as dy by dx is equal to, आप चेक करेंगे तो जब भी आप शिफ्ट कर रहे हैं the term which is in numerator comes in denominator and the term in denominator comes in numerator. This concept is very basic one, I hope you all know this. So we get our final answer of dy by dx is equal to y multiplied by 1 minus x e raised to y upon x multiplied by 1 minus y e raised to x minus y. This is what our answer of dy by dx. Let's solve the last sum of this type, so that derivative of implicit functions where we have to find dy by dx is done. Derivative लेना है, directly we'll write on question as it is. We'll differentiate with respect to x, writing d by dx with each and every term. So derivative of x with respect to x is 1, derivative of sine is cos x plus y multiplied by d by dx of x plus y is equal to derivative of y is dy by dx, and derivative of cos is minus sine, therefore this minus become now plus into d by dx of x minus y. So let's simplify. One we copy as it is, cos x plus y as it is, derivative of x plus y we know very well, it's very simple and previous question में भी ऐसा हमने किया था. So it become 1 plus cos x plus y into 1 plus dy by dx is equal to dy by dx as it is, and again sin x minus y will copy, and derivative of x minus y is 1 minus dy by dx. So before shifting आपको ध्यान से देखना है, this term we have to multiply inside bracket. Similarly sin x minus y also we have to multiply inside the bracket. So that gives you 1 plus cos x plus y into dy by dx is equal to dy by dx plus sin x minus y minus of sin x minus y into dy by dx. Now it become very easy. Shift the terms, collect all dy by dx term together and collect all the term not having dy by dx together. So अब check करेंगे तो we have the term cos x plus y having dy by dx, right में dy by dx है, and this term having dy by dx. इन सबको हमने left में shift किया, so it become cos x plus y minus 1 plus sin x minus y multiplied by dy by dx, and the term not having dy by dx is sin x minus y. Shift these two terms on right, become negative, so it becomes sin x minus y minus 1 minus cos x plus y. Now the last step, whatever in multiplication with dy by dx we shift on right, gives you answer of dy by dx is equal to sin x minus y minus 1 minus cos x plus y divided by cos x plus y minus 1 plus sin x minus y. So this is what answer of dy by dx. So I hope आप सबको ये questions easily समझ में आए. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर ऑल्सो विल कंटिन्यू विद द इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन ओनली, बट वहाँ पे हम प्रूव दैट वाले क्वेश्चंस बहुत ज़्यादा सॉल्व करने वाले हैं, जिसमें क्वेश्चन दिया होगा और आपको बोलेगा कि प्रूव करो कि ये इसका आंसर है. सो दैट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वेरी सिंपल वन, जिसमें आंसर भी पता होगा और क्वेश्चन भी पता होगा. सो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर विल मीट. So revise it and subscribe our channel and refer to your friends also. Thank you.